Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'm going to teach you how to create better Instagram stories with these 5 different tips. These tips have helped me grow my audience as well as just make my stories look a lot better. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the thumbs up button and let's get straight into it. The first tip I have is to put hashtags in your Instagram story. A lot of people know you can put it under your post, and that helps you get discovered because, there's a hashtag page, but people don't realize that the hashtag page of whatever hashtag you search up, there's actually a story option where it shows a bunch of stories that use that hashtag. So by using hashtags, you actually increase the visibility of that story. So let's just say you do hashtag Canada. Anyone who's searching up the Canada hashtag will see that story alongside a bunch of different stories that have that same hashtag. And that story view can lead to an actual follower. What you can actually do to hide the hashtag is just make it as small as possible by pinching the screen or pinching the text, and you literally can't see it. Or you can just place like a GIF or a sticker over it. The same thing applies. Sometimes when you use stickers as well, Instagram will automatically make a story collection of everyone that used that sticker. So recently it's been support small businesses. So everyone who used that support small businesses sticker actually appeared in one big story collection where all the other stories appear as well. Tip number 2 is to tag people in your Instagram stories. So let's just say you're taking a picture of your outfit. You want to tag all the brands that are in the photo. Or if you're at a concert and there's an artist, or if you're just anywhere and you take a picture of anything, you want to tag anything that's in the photo. The reason being is because there's a good chance they might repost it on their story. There's been times where artists with 1 million followers have reposted my story because I took a picture of them, or because they're doing like an album promo and they want to show their followers that people are listening to their music or that they are relevant. People are always gonna repost other people's stories on their story because it makes them look better. Like, look, people are talking about me. Look, people are tagging me and stuff. So that might also result in followers as well. This is very unlikely, but let's just say you take a selfie or something and you're wearing a Nike sweater and you tag Nike. There's a chance that Nike might repost that on their story and you will be exposed to like millions of followers. If you make a habit of doing this, there's a good chance that you will get reposted at least one time. The next tip I have is to use GIFs. The reason you want to use GIFs is because it's more interactive than just basic text in a photo. Like a GIF that I use a lot is the swipe up GIF. But GIFs can also add a stylistic approach to your story. So the GIF I use a lot is clouds. I just put clouds in the background. So whenever I repost a photo of mine that just came out, I will add like clouds or a sun in the background of that story to make it look more aesthetic. Going on to the next tip, it's very, very similar. You can actually put photos in the background of your story. So a lot of people know that you can actually copy photos from your gallery or your photos app and then paste it onto your Instagram story. But people don't know this little small hack. Download a transparent background remover on the App Store. Erase the middle, make sure it's a big circle. You want to paste that onto your Instagram story and then use that as the background. You want to make it a little bit bigger and then put in the background. And by doing this, it makes your story look much, much better. And my last tip is another tip that will make your Instagram stories look better, and that's using apps. There's hundreds of apps now that literally have hundreds of templates for you to just make good Instagram stories. Sometimes the default text doesn't look good. Sometimes you just don't know how to lay out stuff. If you're not as artsy as like someone like me and can't come up with like original Instagram stories, what you can do is download Instagram apps like Unfold, Storylux. There's a bunch of them. I'm going to list a bunch of the free ones in the description, and you can use that to create aesthetic looking Instagram stories. And what I would actually recommend is stick to one, or maybe even create your own Instagram story template, like in something like Photoshop. Or if you're not using Photoshop, maybe like PixArt or Piccollage or whatever app you want to use. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully it helped you out. These definitely have helped me grow my Instagram story, and some people don't actually think about this. Instagram stories are a big way to still stay relevant while not posting, like on your feed. And the reason I say stay relevant is because every time you post a new Instagram story, you appear on the homepage on someone's feed. If you're always up in that Instagram story tab, people are always thinking about you. Similar to if you post a lot, people will keep seeing you. So hopefully you guys take that approach with you and grow your Instagram account. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed. If you did, hit thumbs up button. My name is Steven, and I'll see you in the next one.